If you need help with your Squarespace account, the fastest way to reach support is through the official Help Center, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you're dealing with billing, domains, or another account issue, this method can help you get to the right support option without wasting time searching around. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the official Squarespace Help Center. Make sure you're using the official support site so you know you're getting the correct and most up-to-date contact options. Once the Help Center loads, scroll down the page until you find the Contact Us option. This is where Squarespace lets you start the support process. Go ahead and click Contact Us to continue. Next, Squarespace will ask you to select your topic. Choose the category that best matches your issue, such as billing, domains, or anything else related to the problem you need help with. Picking the right topic is important because it helps route your request to the correct support path faster. After that, an automated assistant will open. This is the part where many people get stuck, but there's a simple trick to move forward. In the chat box, type the exact phrase "talk to a person." Make sure you type it exactly as shown because this helps bypass the bot and places you into the live agent queue. Once the system recognizes your request, follow the prompts and wait for a support representative to become available. Depending on how busy they are, you may need to wait a little while, but this is still the best way to reach a real person through the official support flow. While you wait, stay on the page so you don't lose your place in the queue. Then, when the live agent connects, explain your issue clearly and share any details they need so they can help you faster. And that's it. That's how to use the official Squarespace support contact process and get in touch with a real person. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.